Okay, so let's see the next problem. The next problem of loops. The task is that we need to read an integer n and we need to print the squares up to n. So for example, when n is 5, then we need to print the first 5 squares. So here we can use the for loop as well as the while loop. But the for loop is more preferable actually, because we don't need to increment the I and all, and we don't need to initiate it in for loop. So we'll use the for loop to print it. So first of all, let's consider n as an integer of input. So we can read n from here. Now we just need to use a for loop. So for I in range. Now for range we need to take range up to n, because range considers from 0 up to n and n is excluded. So from 0 to n minus 1, it means n only, so it's one and the same thing. So we just need to print I square over here. So we can print I raised to 2. Okay, fine, let's see. Okay, fine. Okay, our output is fine. We can just copy the code from here and paste it on the website. Let's check if it's right or wrong. Okay, fine. Okay, it's done. Thank you.